Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing this Canon M200 with the 15 to 45 millimeter kit lens. We'll show you what's in the box. Also make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to show you two low-cost cases that work great with these EFM Canon cameras. So check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and if you are new to this channel, we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this Canon M200 that I purchased yesterday. Now I sold my Canon M100 a couple days back so I could buy this camera, and the reason I wanted to try out this camera is because apparently it has clean HDMI, which you're not going to get in most Canon cameras, especially at this budget. But the one key factor is apparently it has clean HDMI with autofocus. Most cameras from Canon, you do have to turn off that autofocus to get the clean HDMI, and you're limited to half an hour. This is supposed to have unlimited runtime for streaming. So we're not going to cover that actually in this video. This is purely an unboxing video, as well as I'm going to show you those cases. But watch for that video coming up in the future. Now, this Canon camera is currently running at $499 US on Amazon, and it's available in white or black. I'll put links below in the description so you can find it for yourself if you want to check it out, as well as to the cases I'm going to show you a little bit later. So as for the specs on this Canon M200, it's got the 15 to 45 millimeter kit lens. It's got the 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor in it. It's running the Digic 8 processor that you're going to find on the Canon M50. Now this camera does do 4K, but apparently it's quite cropped in, and we'll have to look at that in a future video. Now it does dual pixel autofocus. It's got eye detection autofocus, ClearView II Touch, as well as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. All right, so once we've got the lid open, let's see what's in here. There's some paperwork. We've got registration. We've got Canon Coach. If you haven't used Canon Coach, it's a great app to teach you how to use your camera. Go download that app. More warranty information and the instruction booklet. Most people don't read that. We just Google it or YouTube it. All right, let's open this secondary lid here and see what we've got inside here. Of course, we've got the strap. We'll open that up and have a quick look at it. It's a nice strap. It's actually got the better ends on it. My Canon M6 has the little metal dongles on the camera. This is much better. It's solid on these M200s where it connects to the camera. We have a battery charger. These are always nice. Canon, thank you for putting these in the box so I can charge it without having to just plug in my camera. Whoa! I never like dropping things. All right, what else do we have here? The battery. Let's open that up. Got a little cap on it. These are the, what are they? Where does it say? LPE12 batteries, so the same as the M100, and I believe the M50 both use that. What else do we have here? We've got the lens. There's that 15 to 45 millimeter Canon EFM lens. And of course, the body. Pull that out. There she is, the Canon M200. Looks like it has a flip-up screen. Cool. It looks, honestly, it looks pretty much like the M100. If you were to put them side by side and I hadn't looked at them for a little bit, I probably would have a hard time telling the difference. So let's go ahead and put the lens on here. Now I'll take this cap off. Just line up the white dots when you're putting these on. If you haven't used them before, there's two white dots. Just line those up, rotate to the right, and your lens is on. Lens cover, it's that simple to put those on. Put the battery in. The battery's on the bottom here. Make sure the connectors line up. and you are all set to use this camera. So let's give you a quick tour of the outside of the camera. So on the front here, of course, you've got your lens, and on the lens, if you push this button, you can rotate it in so it's nice and short. You've got your button here that you push in to rotate the lens to take it off. On the top here, you've got your shutter button, as well as there's a rotation dial here, so you can control things on the screen, so that's nice and handy. You've also got this dial here, so video, manual photo, and automatic photo right here at the top. And you've got your on-off button. So if I push the on-off button, it turns the screen on and it's wanting the date and time, all that information there on the screen. On the side, you've got your connectors for your strap. And again, these are the nice solid type. They're not like on the M6 where you've got the little metal clip that clips onto it. So I like these ones much better. On the back here, you've got a menu, you've got your record, your info, garbage can, all that kind of stuff for settings, as well as a play button so you can see all the content that you've taken or recorded. And of course your screen that flips up if you want to record yourself doing a vlog or something like that. So that's super handy. On the bottom, you've got your battery compartment, as well as a tripod mount right there. And on this side, let's have a look here. You've got your memory card slot, as well as your HDMI and USB slots. Now, one thing to note, there is not a microphone jack on this. So if you're looking for a microphone jack on your camera, you are not going to find it on this one. And the last thing here, there is a flash button. So if I push that, the flash does pop up for, of course, taking pictures with the flash. So that is super handy. And that's basically the camera in a nutshell. All right, I promised to show you my favorite small camera cases that I purchased, and these are all pretty low cost. I bought them both on Amazon. This is the Low Pro Adventura SH122. Those are currently running about 23 bucks. I'll put the camera in there in a moment. And this is the Low Pro Dashpoint AVC1, more of a hard case. These are currently only 12 bucks on Amazon. So go check these out, and they work great. I've got the M200 in here now. It's got a nice strong zipper. Open that up, and you can see I've got the M200 in there. I've got the charger. And when I flip this over, you can see there's a holder for cables or memory cards, different things like that. And that works great for these smaller mirrorless cameras. Even Sony's probably would work well with that as well. And this one here is a little bit bigger. It's got kind of an opening here at the front. You can fit your charger in these pockets. Zip that shut. This one comes with a nice strap. The camera just slides right in there very easily. As well, if you have like a zoom lens, this is the Canon EFM 18-150 zoom lens. You could fit that in there very easily as well. And you can see it would store all your gear nice and neat. And these are only 23 bucks as well. So nice and handy, lots of little pockets on this one. Perfect for travel. That's gonna fit right in your backpack or on your shoulder very easily. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Canon M200. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe because I've got more Canon M200 videos coming up, including connecting it to my Elgato Cam Link to see how that autofocus works with the clean HDMI and the unlimited runtime. So make sure you subscribe and connect with me on social media. Again, all the links are below in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, take care.